basically what we've got here is where we're trying to edit an object such that we can check its behaviour and make it look like a pair of scissors. So what I'm going to do first of all is mate it in the correct position. So in the closed position. Now I'm going to bring it round, normal to. Sketch that we want to change, so edit sketch. And now what I need to do is move this 17 mils up, so minus this place plus that. So we're going to move these entities up that way 17 mil. So control that one, move. So we've selected all the entities that we want. Start point. Circle. Then I'm going to move all these entities up 17 mil. So now we've got the space to build the rest of our scissors. All I need to do now is make some sort of curvature around. So I'm going to get rid of this line here. I'm going to bring this line back down to where it is in the closed position. Use spline, stylized curve, just to soften it up a little bit. Trim entities. Got the curve happening there. And let's just bring this around. So what I could do is turn that into a fillet there. We need to bring that along, so turn it into a fillet. Scissors. Rebuild. Now, when it's in its closed position, it will appear exactly there. Now, if we wanted to, we could start to work on bringing this around a little bit more. This way, we can model how we want something to fit together to allow so that it can stay in its closed position. Now, all I have to do is insert the other side. So, insert component. So this one, just to double check, is part A. No, we can see that's the wrong one. That's the one that I've just edited. So insert part B. This is why it's super important with this one to make them separate. So I'm going to put that on that side. These two parts coincident to each other, so there's in its closed position. Here we have our edited pair of scissors. Obviously, it's got a problem here. You went too far and start to chop your fingers off. That's something that later we could probably address. Same sort of thing, I could put it in that closed position. So what we can do is bring this around. So before we had it in that position when it was closed, but if we were to fully close it, what we can do is go so show it in its completely closed position. You can see a bit of an error here that maybe we could, with Solidworks, just simply make a cutout. So again, go back to the part that we want to edit, edit sketch. What I'm going to do this time is draw a circle. Sketch, trim entities, trim to closest. So I want to retain this part of the circle. Cut that bit out. And this side. Tick. Rebuild. So now we have, again, adjustment that accounts for our circle. Get rid of the mate. And now we can test it. This is where Solidworks is brilliant because you can actually model where it would go. An extra, of course, is to design some sort of stop so it doesn't go too far.